Welcome everyone. Thank you for visiting our channel. In the previous videos, we started eliminating waste in our procedures using our waste master list. If you missed earlier discussions, use the link to our channel below to catch up. Today we will talk about a typical in many systems position called the owner. Keep watching. At the end of the video, I will give you a link to our template procedure that can help you keep a lot of wastes out of your documents. The owner thing. Frankly, I could never get hold of the value of this concept. I always thought that the company owns documents. Then specifying another owner is puzzling at best. Some companies explain this owner entity as the subject matter expert. By the subject matter expert is already defined. It is the originator or an employee who recently revised the document. Your document change records show both of these names. So naming another employee in a procedure appears to be duplication. Okay, you're not convinced. Twist my arm. Let's say that we named the owner in the procedure. And what do we do when the owner leaves the company? Of course, we can leave the owner's name in the procedure, but then your friendly auditor can rightfully give you a non-conformity for not updating your procedures. Or our documentation folks will need to locate and update all the procedures with that owner name. I think we have to forget about the owner, as it appears to be a pure waste of time with no added value to procedures. There is a solution. You can find a link below to a free download of our template procedure. It will help you keep many wastes away from your documents. Try it. You will enjoy the gadget. If you wish to learn more about lean methods used in ISO management systems, check out my book ISO Management Systems: The Lean Revolution. It is packed with lean ISO management system solutions and gives you a link to a complimentary download of our Lean ISO Procedures Jumpstart Kit. It's time to stop duplications and go lean, folks. Share this video with your colleagues. Click that subscribe button. In the following videos, we will continue killing wastes in our ISO management system documents. Give us a like if you learned something new today. Leave us a comment if you have ideas on other lean topics. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. And until next time.